The new Camp Nou is rising into something truly extraordinary. With every passing day, this stadium is transforming into a world-class masterpiece, combining modern design, massive scale, and elite-level innovation. What we are witnessing right now is not just construction, it is the rebirth of an iconic home, where every detail reflects ambition, quality, and the future of football at the highest level. And the latest progress only makes this transformation even more exciting. Starting with the roof structure, the compression ring box installation continues to be one of the most exciting developments at the top tier of the Camp Nou. Today's update is not just good, it's genuinely fantastic. New roof ring boxes have arrived at the construction site, which is a very important sign, with the team maintaining an incredible pace of installing roughly one ring box per day. A steady supply of materials is absolutely essential. The arrival of new components clearly shows that the supply chain is working perfectly, and there is no slowdown expected. Alongside this, another ring box has been lifted and installed today, continuing the steady growth of the roof structure. This ongoing progress highlights the team's consistency, dedication, and serious commitment to maintaining their daily installation rhythm. As we move through Gol Sur, we reach the first section of the master ceramic facade, where new anchor points signal that work is about to accelerate. The superstructure is being prepared with base beams and panels already in place. Welders are finalizing key connections, while work continues behind the cores as rear sections close and spaces are cleared for next installations. Even small structural elements are being added, and activity in the curved area confirms steady progress across the zone. Moving to the North Tribune corner, a major milestone has been reached. The enclosures for the first VIP ring have finally arrived in this area. In addition, beam welding has started in this section. This is a crucial structural step to prepare the area for upcoming phases, especially the installation of sandwich panels, which are now getting closer to this zone. This preparation highlights the forward planning behind the project, ensuring everything is ready before the next phase begins. Another important addition here is the installation of a turret with a cabin. While it may seem like a small detail, it will greatly improve efficiency by allowing workers to move quickly between different levels. Finally, we come to the most exciting update. The installation of prefabricated stands in the third tier is now almost complete. The tower crane is currently placing the final remaining sections into position. Watching these last pieces being lifted and installed feels like witnessing the final chapter of this phase in real time. Only a few weeks remain before the entire third-tier structure is fully completed. The visual transformation this will bring to the stadium will be dramatic and spectacular. And once this phase is done, the next big step begins: seat installation. Row by row, the upper tier will be filled with seats that will one day hold thousands of passionate fans during the biggest matches. The stadium is getting closer to its final form with every passing day. What an incredible update today. New roof ring boxes arriving and being installed, interior areas progressing beautifully, major developments at the North Tribune corner, and the third tier stands nearing completion. The transformation of Camp Nou is accelerating rapidly, with milestones coming one after another. Each day brings the stadium closer to its incredible future. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Visca Barça, always.